Hello, I'm Daniel Lofaro. I'm part of a team DRC-Hubo. Here I'm going to show you a portion of our C2 trailer. That's our command and control trailer. So this is the vehicle we're bringing to Miami. This is where we fix the robot out of. This is where we practice all of our events out of and control the robot out of. You can see this area right here. We have one of our Hubos that we're fixing up right now, doing some modifications on. This is our Hubo fixing station. Over here and down here we have all the parts we need to repair the robot, replace any broken or damaged parts, so we can continually have a functional robot as we go along. Right over here, this is a built-in gantry system. This can hold 3+ Hubos, so all we have to do is bring it up, attach them right here, and we can roll them all in and transport them easily, as well as work with them very nicely while we're in the trailer. So if we walk back here, we can see 2 control stations. This one right here is for monitoring the robot. An expert monitor will look at the robot's vitals, make sure everything's operating properly, and fix any errors as it goes along. This station right here is the control station 1. This is the primary controller, so the person doing the different tasks, such as valve turning, ladder climbing, etc., will be operating right here. And then back here is control station 2. This is our third command and control station. This is where the secondary operator, if needed, is applied. All these are hooked up to what we call HuNet. HuNet is our Hubo network. All you do is VPN into that from anywhere in the world, and then you act like you're on the Hubo network. Now, we're going to walk around the side of the vehicle for a moment. This right here is our full C2 trailer, our command and control trailer. You can see once we park, we can take our stuff out, then set up our camp or our workshop. So right here we have the DRC-Hubo robot. Right now we're working on stepping over a few cinder blocks. Again, this is the full trailer. This is everything that we need to compete with the DRC challenge. And this is one of our robots that just comes right out of the trailer, and then we can operate it immediately. This right here is our output to our robot, as well as the input to our trailer. Right here is our high amperage 220 volt input. This allows us to power the entire trailer over one input. So this includes all of our computers, networking, etc. We have a single cable that goes out to the robot over Ethernet. So this is what we can control the robot by via the DRC standards. Now, if we want to run completely wirelessly, we also have a wireless bridge that connects directly to the robot if we are running wirelessly. Again, DARPA standard wired network and the optional wireless. So right over here we have the back of the Hubo. We have 2 Ethernet connections, one here and one here. This is for the local Ethernet on the robot. So this allows us to talk to the LiDAR, any other computers we have hooked up. One is for the vision computer, and one is for the control computer. These get put into a single switch that allows us to have a single Ethernet cable output. This can also attach to a wireless bridge as well. Again, that is 2 Ethernet connections, one for each of the computers, plus all the plus for the LiDAR and other sensors, and that can go out into one output Ethernet device for control. Here we have our Cisco, Netgear, and UBNT networking system. So this allows us to take in a single Ethernet input from the robot and control the bandwidth and the latency just like it will be in competition. Again, it's composed of 3 parts. It's controlled of a main controller that's run by Cisco systems, a switch run by Netgear, and a throttler run by the UBNT network systems. And that is our C2 command and control trailer for the DARPA Robot Challenge.